Hello, my name is Dave Goodwin, and I'm one of the founding partners of a wealth creation firm called 10K100. Our company is an options trading and education subscription service that is designed to help aggressive investors leverage $10,000 of their retirement savings to get much higher returns than they are currently. Our method is proven, and the firm addresses the problem of poor investment returns. But first, let me talk about my experience with investing. I come from a family of truly skilled financial managers. My father was a doctor, and probably the perfect pigeon for an unscrupulous financial planner. He was doing well financially and had absolutely no time to watch his investments. So he took advice from a legitimate family friend, at least legitimate at the time, and invested in a genetically engineered super cow. Now this was the 70s, and this magical cow was going to produce 30% more milk or beef with less grazing land and in much less time. And I have no idea if the super cow ever actually materialized, but I know my father's money did disappear. Following in his footsteps, when I was in flight school soon after joining the Navy, I knew that it was time to start my personal financial journey. I was recently married, and my new wife and I were approached by a certified financial planner and former naval officer who convinced us he had the plan to secure our financial future. After all, he was a Navy pilot too, so I could trust him, couldn't I? Well, 8 years later, when organizing a down payment for a house, I was shocked to find my overall value of my investment was less than the cash amount of the money I had sent in. Somebody is making money in financial markets. Does no one offer a good investment product? Filling this need is what led us to create 10K100. 10K100 is an internet-based subscription investment service that not only provides education and options trading, but gives subscribers the opportunity to link their account to a company trading account. By connecting accounts, subscribers' positions are automatically traded when moves are made with a corporate trading account. This earns much higher returns. What sets this product apart is a disciplined trading philosophy that exploits technology to predict swings in market momentum. Catching these swings gives small daily gains, usually just 4 or 5 cents per contract, which can add up significantly over the year. For a $100 a month subscription fee, 10K100 will yield 50% growth in a year with an initial investment of $10,000. This return to the investor can be gained by executing a single successful trade each week. Keep in mind, this is net profit, not gross, and all the client has to do is transfer $10,000 from an existing IRA to an IRA account with the firm's broker-dealer, link it, choose their leverage, and monitor the results. Now everybody has heard about disasters in day trading, and this is why risk management is such an integral part of the firm's strategy. 10K100 uses 3 different traders who follow a similar approach but see the data differently enough to take advantage of unique market entry and exit points. Conducting 3 distinct trades minimizes the likelihood of all 3 traders having a bad trade on the same day. Even better, this strategy earns returns even when the market falters. At the end of each trading day, client accounts are safely in cash. Everyone is out of the market. Overnight catastrophes no longer affect financial positions. Now, the financial industry in the United States is massive, with $18 trillion in retirement assets alone. Within the industry, the portfolio management section is worth $180 billion. Overall, the financial industry grew by 5.86% in 2012 as people continue to seek higher returns for their investments. Further fueling demand is pessimism about Social Security. Many people now believe their savings will constitute the majority of their retirement funding as Social Security funds diminish. Annual growth for portfolio management is expected at 2.9% from 2013 to 2018. In 2008, the percentage of assets in mutual funds fell from 54 to 48.6% of the total due to the volatility and decline of world stock markets. This equates to $10.7 billion removed by investors from the mutual fund market. Meanwhile, assets in electronically traded funds grew 27% from 2008 to 2009. And today, 23 million people have personal brokerage accounts. This means that the area where 10K100 trades is a popular consumer market. This is a tremendous indicator of the demand for this product. Huge financial firms assist people in retirement planning, but for most investors, it's a local Certified Financial Planner, or CFP, who supplies investment services. According to CNN, 57% of Americans have at least $10,000 in retirement savings, and 22% contribute monthly to their IRAs. Now, consumers rarely leave their CFPs, even though switching costs are low. Company research shows that even when investment strategy is losing money, many people will remain with their financial specialist for a few years or so. 10K100 is developing in central Pennsylvania, and the local market very much reflects the national market as just described. Local firms offer full financial services, but none offer a strategy similar to 10K100's. This distinction is a tremendous bonus because it allows independent financial planners to recommend the strategy to their clients. 10K100 fits nicely into any CFP's aggressive asset management portfolio and provides true diversity for the client. This gets subscriptions for 10K100, while it allows local financial advisors to take advantage of higher returns for his or her more important clients. Remember, if a financial planner leads a client to a lucrative investment strategy, the CFP can still charge for the advice and keeps the rest of the client's portfolio under active financial management, thus generating fees. This is a win-win situation that creates partners, not competitors, with local planners. 10K100's marketing efforts are centered at the local level, building and recruiting clients through informal marketing and networking events and trade shows, utilizing our $33,000 per year marketing budget. Because the firm exists online, there will be a focus on electronic media to increase brand awareness. Through Facebook and Twitter, the firm will broadcast the results of its trades and the current value of a rolling $10,000 account. With the consistent returns the strategy provides, the firm will create a network beyond the 75 clients who have already committed to improving their financial future. This strategy has national appeal. 10K100 typical subscribers are 40 to 55 years old and are still in the income-building phase of their financial management plan. They are market and tech savvy, know that with reward comes risk, and there are no guarantees in the option market. They're okay with our fees, but they demand value. Because the firm communicates online, clients are comfortable with internet banking and prefer electronic mediums to stay in contact. The firm prefers married clients because they provide an opportunity to sell spousal IRA and commercial subscriptions for any family member, which equals more sales per contact. Current research shows that males are still the primary investors, and the firm will look to them first, but women are becoming more actively involved in investing. In addition to providing higher returns, 10K100's market research shows people want more control over their investments, and this strategy allows that. When a subscriber links an account to the master trading account, the option is given to match 100% of the funds leveraged, or a lesser percentage. This gives clients an opportunity to minimize their risk and gain comfort with the trading strategy, and eventually conduct their own trades if they so desire, or they can just allow the firm to automatically trade for them. As the firm grows, leveraging data in a quest for continued improvement will provide subscribers complete transparency in company trades. Clients will receive a daily text, tweet, or email about the firm's trades, and a weekly report will identify trends. In fact, this embracing of technology is exactly the formula that industry observers believe is a recipe for success. Quote, by leveraging new technologies, they predict, market entrants can better adapt to changing consumer tastes and offer more personalized service to the consumer. Small, customer-centric firms will likely pick up market share and niche customers from large firms over the 5 years to 2018. Now, 10K100 is uniquely set up to expand the niche market of options trading within the financial industry. Now, this all sounds great, but does it actually work? Well, yes, it does. Let's make a quick comparison. According to Morningstar, the BlackRock U.S. mortgage portfolio is the highest ranked performer over the last 5 years. A $10,000 investment in 2008 would today be worth nearly $14,500. That's about $900 of return each year. Not bad. 10K100's options trading strategy turned $10,000 into $20,000, a little bit over in fact, in just 3 months. That's nearly $900 a week. Much better. The firm also beat the S&P 500. And yes, these results are verifiable. The financials for the firm are excellent. Initial funding is provided by the 3 partners who will contribute $15,000 each and have promised up to $25,000 if needed. Cost of sales is zero for the firm as each client pays his or her own trading fees. In creating the financials, there are the following assumptions. No funding beyond what the partners can provide is needed through the first 3 years of operation. Partners can rely on military pensions as the majority of their compensation for the first 3 years of operation. 75 startup clients will indeed open subscriber accounts, as they have indicated, and their fees are part of the initial cash balance. When we begin commercial trading in January of 2015, the firm will have a full year of trading results that we can show and advertise that are better than the rates of the return, and we can use those to attract new subscribers. Competition will ensure no large increases in fees for trading or accessing internet-based information. And finally, company research regarding sales is accurate, and with each 6-month block of successful trades, potential clients are increasingly likely to subscribe. The income statement for 2015 shows that by September, the firm will already be breaking even in cash flow. This is accomplished even though we predict that each partner will enroll only 2 new subscriptions each month, with a slight bump in the 6th month that aligns with market research. As the strategy proves its value, current customers will open 2nd and 3rd accounts, as they cannot increase their leverage beyond the 100% matching. If they want to double their returns, they have to create a 2nd account, either a spousal IRA or a commercial account, and link it separately to the master trading account. Cash flows show that we will maintain a positive cash balance, even with aggressive marketing and website building costs. Now let me jump ahead to year 3. By the end of this year, the firm will be at a significant decision point. Sales projections are based on incremental growth, and through the majority of this period, the partners are only enrolling 5 new subscriptions each month. And remember, some of those will come from the original 75 clients. With 500 subscribers, total gross profit will be more than $500,000, and the firm will be operating with more than 1 master trading account, and the time demands for trading will become much more significant. At this point, the partners will be looking to expand, and this provides an outside investment opportunity. The firm will be looking for a chief financial officer who wants an ownership stake in the firm and who will guide the company's expansion into national markets. The partners would consider selling a 20% share for $250,000. Like the original partners, this person would see a significant return on investment in the 3rd year of affiliation with the firm. Assuming similar growth in years 5 and 6, a 20% share in the business's 6th year would have a net 3-year present value of $280,000 at 15%, salary not included. The reason the financials look so good is that the company was set up with an eye on minimizing costs. The firm has a small office where basic corporate administrative functions are accomplished. The 3 partners work from home, and the company's infrastructure is mobile, allowing for partners to trade and show the trading process to anyone, anywhere, to interested clients. Supply and distribution is electronic, and the most difficult accounting services remain the responsibility of the broker-dealer. Now, the broker-dealer is the organization that actually executes the trades on behalf of 10K100. Currently, 10K100 uses a company called eOptions. Other suppliers include TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, CNBC, and the Forex Economic Calendar. 10K100 is managed by the 3 original partners, who are all retired military officers with the leadership and integrity to lead this firm. The company president is a certified financial planner with 8 years trading experience, and although the other 2 partners are newer to the markets, their trading success is what led to the creation of this partnership. This business plan and strategy is a flat-out money maker. With just 1,000 subscribers, 10K100 is a $1 million a year business. National and local market research shows exceptional demand for the product, and the results are proven. This is your opportunity to invest with the firm and consider a future ownership stake. This is a risk-mitigated and unique approach to wealth creation. Don't miss this chance to get your share of the next great growth phase in financial services. Thank you.